Hi, good day, sir. So we're here to discuss our topic. So our topic is all about digital school supplies management system. Together with my co-reporters, here's the first reporter.
I am Arwena Dayaw, the first reporter. My topic is all about businesses overview. In businesses overview, we have target, current state, and challenges. So target is meron tayong medium-sized private school serving 1,500 students. Sa current state naman, mayroon tayong manual tracking via logbooks and paper forms. Sa challenges, difficulty monitoring stocks levels and frequent shortage. Next is the problem statement. In a problem statement, we have issue 1. Inconsistent manual recording leads to high risk of incorrect stock counts. Issue 2. Paper-based requests are time-consuming for staff and daily materials delivery. Issue 3. Lack of centralized tracking prevents real-time visibility and accurate forecasting. Issue 4. We have inefficient reporting makes it difficult to trace usage patterns.
Hi, my name is Lovely Diaz and my report is all about proposed solution. So here in proposed solution, we have online catalog. Online catalog provides real-time stock levels to prevent overstocking. Second, we have request portal. Request portal replace paper forms with digital status tracking. Third one, we have admin dashboard. And admin dashboard centralize request approvals and stock updates. Fourth, we have reporting modules. Automatically generates monthly usage and low stock alert. Next slide, we have system architecture. Here we have three layer design ensure systems capability and clarity. Next, we have business layers manage supply requests and inventory updates. Next, we have application layers house the dashboard and reporting tools, and data layers stores inventory records and structure logs.
So here are the expected benefits: efficiency, faster distribution of materials to teachers, accuracy, reduce errors, waste and unnecessary purchases, experience, staff spend less time on paperwork and more time teaching.
I am your last reporter. So my topic is about implementation and tools. Here, there is technologies like Figma, HTML, CSS, and MySQL for the database. Assumptions requires basic digital literacy and stable internet. Timeline 4 weeks cycle from planning to final presentation. That's all for today. Thank you, sir, and God bless.